this is the cartridge that gets installed. Your top spline here is your diverter cartridge or diverter spline. Depending on your application, depends on where the spline is set. Now there's a little tab on the bottom here at the 6 o'clock position. If you are doing a dual function or a single function using port C, the tab needs to be set at 6 o'clock. If you're doing a single function and you're coming out of port B, this has to be set at approximately the 2 o'clock position. Installing the Grohtherm 2-handle thermostat trim, we're using the Rapido Smart Box, the 35601. And just like it, we push it in place. And the cartridge itself is held in place with 4 Phillip head screws, which I'll install. Now I've left them all loose, and I'm going to use these brass screws to put my level on to make sure that the valve is straight, or the cartridge is level. This cartridge will also allow you to adjust it 6 degrees. So with a bullet level, and put it on top there. And see that we have to make a little bit of an adjustment. Okay, and then just tighten up all 4 screws. And we can remove these. The 2-handle Grohtherm thermostat trims come with the service stops pre-installed. Right now I have them in the open position with a 10mm socket. If you thread them fully clockwise, that will shut the water off to the valve, so you can do any maintenance that may need to be done, such as removing the thermo cartridge or removing your hot and cold check valves to do any cleaning, clean out any debris, any scale buildup, or to clean the aqua dimmer cartridge. And then to turn them back on, just counterclockwise. Until it won't turn anymore. And then I always like to give it a quarter turn back.